Hello dear students, it's time for the maths class. In today's class we will start the last chapter of our syllabus of term 2, which is chapter 14, data handling. So open your textbooks, open book page number 199. Open page number 199, chapter 14, data handling. Do you know what is data? The term data, D-A-T-A, data. Don't pronounce it as data. Its actual pronunciation is data. So the term data means facts or information. You know information? Information means jankari or facts. Facts which also means jankari. So here the term data means information. Data means facts or information, or you can say collection of information. First of all, we will write some definitions, okay? So, in your notebook, what you do? You will write the name of the chapter from new page, write name of the chapter, number of the chapter, and then write these definitions. Then, you will write the exercises, okay? So, data means what? Data means facts or information or collection of information. Note it down. Okay. Now, as our chapter's name is data handling. So, what is data handling? Now, next definition is about data handling. Okay. Data means information, right? And handling means how we handle it. So, basically data handling refers to the process of gathering information, organizing it, and representation of that information in particular form, like in tabular form or through some charts, is called data handling. What is data handling? To handle the information in a systematic way. It refers to the process. It refers to the process of data handling refers, or it refers to the process of collecting information, recording, or representing collecting, recording, or representing information in an organized way. in an organized way or in any systematic way. An organized way. There are different types of data handling, which you already know, like bar graphs, pie charts. In your previous classes, you have studied about the pictograph, bar graph, right? Pie charts. Up to 4th standard, you have studied these. These all are the ways to represent data. So what is the data handling? It is the process of collecting the information and then representing that information in an organized way. Okay? Note down the definition of both data and data handling. Data is information and data handling means the process of collecting, recording and presenting information in an organized way. What are types of data handling? Pictograph, bar graph, pie chart. Now types of data handling. How we can represent our data? We can represent our data through tables or in tabular form we can represent our data. Wait. Types of data handling are pictograph. In pictograph, what we do? We represent the given data in the form of pictures. We represent the data with the help of pictures. So that is called a pictograph. When we represent data with the help of pictures, it is called a pictograph. Then bar graphs. Through bar graphs we can represent our data. So what are bar graphs? Bar graphs are basically vertical and horizontally types of data handling, pictograph, bar graphs. In bar graphs, we represent data through vertical and horizontal bars. Pie charts. And line graphs and etc. Okay. Now in your previous classes you have already discussed about pictograph. You already studied about the bar graphs, and now in this class you will discuss pie chart. We will discuss pie chart. Okay. So next definition is pie chart. In pictograph we represent data through pictures. In bar graph we represent numerical data with the help of bars, with the help of horizontal and vertical bars. Now pie chart. What is pie chart? A pie chart is a type of graph that represents the data in circular graph. A pie chart is a type of graph in which we represent data in circular graph that represents a pie chart is a type of graph that represents data in circular graph. What is pie chart? It is also a type of graph in which how we represent data? We represent data in a circular chart or circular graph, you can say. Next line about the pie chart. Next point about the pie chart is pie chart is also known as circle graph or circle chart or circular graph. Note down both the points about the pie chart. A pie chart is a type of graph that represents data in circular graph, which means basically we will represent the numerical data on the circle chart. Okay. Pie chart is also known as circle graph or circle chart or circular graph. Okay, now next point, the slices of pie. The slices of pie shows the relative size of the data. Next point is the slices The slices of pie show the relative size of data. The slices of pie show the relative size of the data. Note down this point also. Okay, so these were the points about the pie chart. Once again I am repeating, pie chart. A pie chart is a type of graph that represent data on circular graph. Pie chart is also known as circular chart or circle graph or circle chart. The slice of pie shows the relative data size. Means in this in pie chart what we do, we represent data on circle graph, okay, and the slices of the or the part of the circular chart shows the relative data. So these were the points about the pie chart. Okay, one more point to note about the pie chart is in pie chart a circle is in pie chart a circle is divided into parts. According to number of data items. What is the last line? In pie chart, a circle is divided into parts according to number of data items. In pie chart, a circle is divided into parts according to number of data items. These were the 4 points about the pie chart. It is very easy. A pie chart is a type of graph that represents data in circular graph. Pie chart is also known as circle graph or circle chart or circular graph. Next, the slices of pie show the relative size of the data. And the last point is, in pie chart, a circle is divided into parts according to number of data items. Okay, so in today's class what we have done, we have covered the definition of data. Data means facts or information. Then we discussed data handling. What is data handling? To organize that information in an organized way. To represent the information in a systematic way is called data handling. Okay, to handle the information in proper way is called data handling. Then we discussed the types of data handling. What were the types? Pictograph, bar graph and pie chart. Okay, so pictograph and bar graph you already studied in your previous classes. What is pictograph? When we represent data with the help of pictures. When we represent numerical data with the help of pictures, it is called a pictograph. And when we represent numerical data with the help of horizontal and vertical graphs, it is known as bar graph. Okay, then we came to the topic pie chart, okay, which we will discuss in exercise 14.1. So what is pie chart? It is also type of graph, okay, but it is a circle graph. The shape of the chart is circular, okay, that is why it is also known as circle graph or circular graph or circle chart, okay. In this chart what we do, we represent the numerical data through the slices, okay. So it was all about definitions. Our today's lecture